He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. Also a brown and Polish brass finish from 1988. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. Also in wine Polish brass finish from 1987. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan. He stole my Kenmore bottom out. Spinning ceiling fan.